Hello everyone, Olga with you. In this video we are talking about migration changes in Ukraine. Those changes are already confirmed because they're signed by a president and they're going to be effective in the nearest time. Okay, let's start. And the first change confirmed and clear, this is now if you are living in Ukraine with temporary residence for 5 years, you will be qualified to receive permanent residence. So the guys who created companies and who used to have work permit for 3 years and it still didn't finish, so you can still continue it for 2 more years and you will get at the end permanent residence. So now it's the reason because before it was totally two separate roads, not by any means meeting each other in any of the stage. Who is excluded from that? International students. So if you want to come to Ukraine, study 5 years in university, and you think that this will allow you to qualify for permanent residence, no. This is European practice. As I understand, none of European countries doesn't leave for permanent residence directly, and same happens in Ukraine. So international students are excluded, but if you have work visa, family visa, or any other kind of legal status in Ukraine for 5 years, you will be able to get permanent residence. Next change related to fake marriages. So there are many people who used to marry Ukrainian girls just on paper to receive permanent residence and citizenship later. It was actually a very popular scheme because you just need to be married for 2 years and that's enough for citizenship and for permanent residence. Now you still will be able to do this after 2 years, but any foreigner who now want to apply for permanent residence based on marriage, he need to pass interview with his partner separately, with his wife, talking about common things in your everyday living. Also, you need to know common language, so it cannot be that you speak English and your own language and Ukrainian, you're only Ukrainian, and you don't have any common language. You need to be able to prove that you can for sure communicate with each other. You are living together, you have a lot of proofs that you are living together, and at the end she need to come and apply with you for all the process, and she need to agree to pass interview. If you will not do that, you will not be able to apply for permanent residence. And even if you will get permanent residence and later it would be discovered that your marriage were fake or you divorced and the reason for permanent residence disappeared, it will be taken from you, so you will not be able to maintain it after divorce. So consider this from the beginning if some kind of consultants suggest you this way. And the news number 3, it's EResidence, electronic residence. I will tell you what is that. It may be helpful for some people. To be honest, I'm not sure in nowadays situation. But anyway, so what is EResidence? EResidence allow you to open company in Ukraine, have bank account in Ukraine, and kind of like have Ukrainian activity without being present in Ukraine personally. So in any country, whatever you are living, you can open it on distance and provide activity. Maybe it can be helpful if you are doing any kind of activity with Ukrainian customers, so it will help you to not bring money from abroad and to abroad every time. You will be maintaining local legal presence, or maybe if you want to have some trade with European Union countries, it has simplified things, simplified process. Anyway, there is such option. Finally, our government was talking about it from 2021, and now finally it comes to life, and they are testing now the platform. It would be all done online. You can do this all by yourself. You don't need lawyer even to do this, so you can do this all together. What I need to say, EResidence has no relation to physical location of you in Ukraine. So it doesn't help you to get residence, doesn't help you normal residence, doesn't help you to get citizenship, doesn't help you to travel to any other countries like Ukrainian. It's just your legal presence in Ukraine if you need that for any of your business purposes. That's all. No other benefits doesn't have. So guys, this was all news for today. If you would like to receive more information and updates about Ukrainian law and the situation in Ukraine besides war, please subscribe on my channel and follow new videos and shorts. Bye bye!